everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you happen to be new, hi, my name is Mocha, and on this channel we'll talk about all things craft and crochet. So if you are into crocheting, crafting, and the lifestyle that goes with people that are into the craft lifestyle, you found your right place, because that's my jam. Okay, first, ignore the mess on my desk because I'm actually in the middle of a project, but I encountered the same question on several Facebook groups, and I decided that I'll go ahead and make a quick video and provide an answer. So, let's say you're making a poncho, a rug, a sweater, anything that requires a long foundation chain that you have to connect together because you're going to work in the round. Well, one of the major problems with doing that is that the foundation chain tends to want to twist. So when you're trying to connect the two ends together, you end up with the chain twisted and it's a mess and you're frustrated. Well, my first suggestion is to learn chainless foundation. And I do have a tutorial on that and I'll link to it. But if you are a traditionalist and you want to do the foundation chain, here's a hack for you. You start like you normally would, just do your slip knot, put it on your hook, and then I chain like 2 or 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, then take out my hook. I put the hook in the first chain, and then I reattach the working loop, and then I continue to crochet my foundation chain. And you'll just chain however many you need for the foundation chain, whatever it's required. But you can see, it keeps your chain from twisting. Then once you have the number of foundation chains you need, you slip stitch together. Like that. And you now have a foundation chain that's not twisted. So all you gotta do at that point is do whatever it says, whether it's chain 1, chain 2, whatever, and just start working into your foundation chain and start your project. Oops. Now it's a little splitty. And like I said, you just crochet around your foundation chain the way you would anyway. But now you know that your chain isn't twisted. So when you get to the end, you're not going to have a twisted first row, which we all know is a frustrating thing to have happen. And is to be avoided at all costs, because if your first row is twisted, then your whole pattern is going to be off, and you're going to have to start over again, which means you're going to have to frog it. And frogging is frustrating. I think we can all agree on that. But see? Last chain. That out of the way. Ta-da! Not twisted. There you go. Anyway, I just wanted to share that. If this was of any interest to you or any help of you, please hit the like button. If you're new here and you think you might enjoy my content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll know when I upload a new video. I go live every Wednesday at 9 p.m. and I try to upload a video once a week or so. Sometimes there's two, and that's it. Thanks for being here. Hope this was helpful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.